A typical half-bathroom remodel usually takes between 1 and 14 days for a full gut remodel, while surface updates can often be completed over a single weekend. For a surface update plan for a half-bath, focus on replacing fixtures, repainting, swapping out the mirror and lighting, and updating hardware, and you can often finish in 2 to 3 days by sequencing tasks so paints can dry while fixtures are staged. For a full gut remodel, expect 1 to 2 weeks of active trade work when you include demolition, rough plumbing and electrical adjustments, wall repairs, and tile or floor installation, keeping in mind that scheduling for specialists can create gaps if not coordinated. Prepare by lining up your plumber, electrician, and tile installer before demolition, so work flows from rough-in to finish without delays. And always secure permit approvals early, because inspections often create wait times of 1 to 3 days per stage. When working with existing plumbing in older homes, allow extra time for unforeseen corrosion or non-standard fittings which require custom parts or rerouting. Budget an additional 2 to 4 days for these issues. Use a phased approach to reduce disruption by doing demo and rough carpentry first, then mechanicals and walls, followed by finishes and trim, which keeps trades from stepping on each other and helps maintain a clean site. Keep a running checklist for each phase with task owners and realistic time buffers, and prioritize ordering long lead items like custom vanity tops and specialty fixtures as soon as measurements are confirmed, so deliveries do not stall progress. Common mistakes include underestimating time, which often leads to rushed finishes and unhappy homeowners, so pad estimates by at least 20% and schedule buffer days between trades to absorb delays. Another frequent issue is not confirming measurements and fixture clearances, which causes reorders or field modifications. So, verify dimensions twice and dry fit items when possible before committing to tile or vanity installations. A third concern is neglecting permit and inspection timing, which can halt progress unexpectedly, so check local building requirements early, submit permit applications before demolition, and book provisional inspection slots where available to keep the timeline moving. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project timelines and common costs, so planning is easier. We connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share real experiences, timing tips, and project photos to help everyone plan smarter.